Hello, my name is Ever McKinney, and I am an Information Assistant at John Marshall Library. I'd like to welcome you to this video tutorial on AtoZ databases, specifically their Resume Examples and Templates feature. AtoZ Databases is a free database you can access through Fairfax County Public Library using your library card. Before we get into the database itself, I'd like to show you how to get there first. This is our library homepage, www.fairfaxcounty.gov/library, and from here you will want to scroll down to where it says Research Center on the left under Department Resources. Click on Research Center and then click on Research Databases. Under the letter A, scroll down until you see AtoZ Databases and then click on this link. On this page, you will be prompted to enter your library card barcode number. Once you have entered your library card number, you are now in the AtoZ Databases homepage. As you can see, there is a lot of information here and a lot of different places to explore. Up top here is a great tiny summary of what this database can do for you. You can find a business, either locally or across the country. You can see who is hiring. You can create mailing lists and sales leads using the database's demographic features. And if you have questions, don't be afraid to use the live chat feature, which is specific to this database. Because we have limited time today, I'd like to draw your attention specifically to the Resume and Cover Letter Examples and Templates feature. These documents are all free to download, edit, and save to your own devices, as well as print. First, locate the box that says Find a Job. Then, next to this little person with the briefcase, click on Cover Letters, Resumes, and Tips. The section we want today is under Step 2, Apply for the Job. Let's click on that, and then click on the link that says Resumes and Cover Letters, Templates, and Examples. This will open up in a new window. The first three underlined sections you see here refer to types of resumes: chronological, functional, and plain. Whatever resume you choose largely depends on your own needs, as well as any style that your future employer recommends. Chronological resumes are the most common style, meaning that your most recent place of employment is listed first. I'll click on this example, which will open up in another window. And as you can see, this person lists their most recent place of employment first, followed by prior positions. In addition to this format, AtoZ Databases provides two other templates under chronological arrangement. Functional resumes are targeted resumes that highlight specific skills or compensate for an employment gap. This example highlights the person's skill set before the work history. As you can see on this example, the person's professional profile and accomplishments are highlighted, and then the work history is entered below. Lastly, you have a plain arrangement in case you'd like a simple format for your resume. This format provides underlined sections for you to begin organizing your work experience and your work history. Next, I'd like to show you how to download a resume template, which you can see are listed here next to their examples. I'm going to select the plain arrangement by clicking on it. At the bottom of your screen in the Microsoft Edge browser, you'll see that you have a download waiting for you. When I click on Open, this opens the template in Microsoft Word. If you see this yellow bar near the top of your screen, be sure to click Enable Editing. When you place your cursor on the page, you should be able to replace the example text with your own information. Always remember to save your resume either to your computer or to a removable storage device, especially if you are working on a public library computer. There are two more items of interest I'd like to point out in this section. Below the resume templates and examples, there are also templates and examples for three types of cover letters: for common situations, for salary expectations, and for interns. AtoZ Databases also provides a template and an example for organizing job references. If your potential employer requires either one or both of these documents with your resume, these examples can show you how to set up your own cover letter, and we'll also show you how to set up a nice letterhead like this one, as well as how to organize your references. You can click on Template next to the template you want and edit and save each document in Microsoft Word, just like you edited and saved your resume. This concludes this video tutorial for resume templates and examples on AtoZ databases. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you build your resume.